I was just looking. If you think I'm lying about the tags being on, think again. And it's my size in the dress too. Think again if you thought I was lying about the tag, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. This one right here, I ain't never seen this. Y'all, hey, 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 look. This man's got a 2-in-1 Columbia hat. What? I ain't never seen a hat. It's hey, somebody call Pooh Shiesty. Free Pooh. Free my baby. Like what? Cause he said my chain got on my watch got on the watch. My chain got more. My hats got more hats than you need. hold on. He said my chain got on the chain. My hats got more. I never seen the hat built inside of a hat. What? That's cold. Hey, FDO, first day out. Hey. Hey, I'm so grateful, man. Just got out the book bed, 300 cash, can't fit in my hand. Hey, look. Where the coat at? And guess what? I'm cool on the coat. I got a brand new, fresh out the factory Eddie Buer coat. Always wanted an Eddie Buer coat. I done had so many of them in this situation. I done had 3 Eddie Buer coats in 2 winters. I just want to say shout out to God, man. Like I said, the experience was definitely worth it. Not just for this, but for the peace of mind and the wisdom that I gained from it in general, man. I'm gonna lie, I'm still going through the bag. Young niggas, the bag, the biggest, you hear me? I'm not even that type of person. I don't even care about tags and stuff. But when I tell you, I know if I wouldn't have gotten this experience, babe, we got Calvin Klein in here. We got Lulu Lemon in here. We got Rule 21 in here. All brand new, babe. We got Walmart in here. Essentials in here, babe. We got all that. We got all that. If you look at stuff like that, then, man, I got that. I know where to get it. Look. Just going through my brand new t-shirt because, yes. I will be the light. Yes, brand new leggings. I had thought I came up on some Lulu Lemon leggings too. T-shirts, brand new t-shirt. Like I said, just have an eye for a La Polo, you feel me? La Polo. And we got some more Ralph Lauren. Like I said, man, this ain't no stunt. This ain't no capping or nothing. Don't be hating up on no stuff. It's just about the resources in my bag. I was trying to figure out if I like this or not. It's just about I ain't even know that they had glass sauce shakers. Look at the who y'all just make me bougier and bougier. It's just gonna depend on that cap though. I don't know about keeping that top, but look. Some old little work, you feel me? Like I said, glass. Young niggas, the bag, the biggest. What y'all thought? There's so many people depending on his leadership skills out here for him to be gone. Listen to your mama. Reclaim your spot. These people not ready for you. And them niggas that was talking down on you, they lame and broke out here. Now something like these, little workout, you feel me? They still giving clean little workout pants, you feel me? These people not ready for you. And them niggas that was talking down on you, they lame and broke out here. I got this whole set at the crib. They had the other one, give me that. Listen to your mama. Reclaim your spot. You just better get ready. Y'all counted us out while we was counting down. Whoever was scared. I'm talking about whoever was scared. Gonna make your bed. You hear me? Cause the biggest. Brrr. These new. Hey, FDO, first day out. Fuck bed. Just came out there being bed. 300 cash. Can't fit on my bathroom soap. They put on me, bitch. I'm fresh from out the feds. I say fresh from out the fed, baby. Come put that see on me. Look. Start throwing honeys, nigga. I can't fumble. The whole world been waiting on me. Let me tell y'all something real quick. Where all my scamming ass niggas at? Where they at? Getting that money fat. Hold on. I ain't gonna even say that. But no, look. I know this ain't no Lulu. Is that a Lulu Lemon sign? I don't even know what it is for real. But look. I went and hit so many of my resources today. The one thing about me, when I was homeless, baby, I just was not out here, baby. I was out here getting resources. I'm talking about big pressure, big plug. You ain't no boss if you don't got no resources. I just had to tell my YN the other day, like, baby, you can put somebody that got money in their pocket next to somebody that got wisdom in their brain. The one that has the wisdom is going to go further. The one that has the credit is going to go further. Listen. Money can get you only so far, baby. But look, I'm trying to figure out if I just came up and on some Lulu Lemon. Because I got so much name brand. That's what you got to know. I got so much name brand. I was out here dripping in name brand I ain't never paid for. As you can see, this thing brand new. I had so many things that came with tags. You would have thought I had met when Young Miami and him Diddy them. Look. It's so pretty too. This is a nice little sweater thing. And then look at the arm. This gotta be Lulu. Y'all drop down below in the comment if y'all girl had just come post and I can fit it. Look, it's an XXX large. I'm looking for the tag. Let me see if we can pop them tags where they at. I done flipped it, popped some tag. I don't even see no tag on it. I done flipped the inside out, but man, I think it's Lulu Lemon. I don't know though. Oh, it is Lulu Lemon. Lulu Lemon. Hey, look. I don't care what nobody say. With my own money, I ain't gonna say I never bought name brand, but I never cashed out. And baby, no, I ain't never got to buy that. I know where to go get it at. Look at this. That baby got her some Lulu Lemon. Man, look. I be trying to put y'all on game. So look, I just hit all my places. It was some random places outside today. So what I do is, I ain't been telling y'all too much about my homeless experience, but just some of these videos. But anyway, today I hit so many licks on so many of my places. But look, I'm finna go through this. So what I do, I'm gonna tell y'all since we talking about this video. What I do is I go to the places that get closed. You ain't got to be fighting and try to be first in line. You could be last in the line because the last going to be first and the first shall be last. All you need is a good eye for detail. You don't got to be in there rushing because some of these places are timed. But if you slow down, you going to find you some good stuff. I promise you. I don't have nothing with no stains, no holes, I get stuff with tags. The baddest homeless that was out here. Now, just playing. Thank you, Holy Spirit, for the experience because I got so much wisdom. So what I do is I get the clothes. You got to be wise. You got to get the clothes, go through the clothes, get the material, go through the material, make sure it's worthy. I pray over everything, make sure there ain't no bad spirits or nothing on it. If it's not new, I don't want it. I mean, because in the midst of you getting some stuff that we say hand-me-downs, if you're going to get some hand-me-downs, make sure they new. You know what I'm saying? I got me some books. We didn't hit the library today. Look. Hey, we got that bag. I got that bag on me. Look. Got that bag. Man, I would have net. And you know what's so crazy? It's easy to say this now, bro. But when, bro, come on, man. But when you going through something, you can't really see the outcome of it. But baby, I tell you, if it wasn't for this experience, I probably wouldn't have had all of the blessings I got, baby. Look at that. It be some new stuff, brand new from Walmart. Some stuff I would buy, and I think this is super cute. Like, I got so much silk. Baby, and I'm going to tell y'all something. I prayed about it, too. I'm not going to lie. When I got to my crib, I told God I want everything glass. That's what I was just trying to accomplish before I left my own home, but I had to pay for everything, and I was struggling. I told God I wanted all my food in glass. Everything in my crib is glass, and all of my glass is brand new. I got dish sets, brand new glass. Now I had got a little bit more glass today. Man, I can't make this up. I got silk. I got everything. Get some more stuff. Look, I got Lulu Lemon. I got Gucci. Come on, man. It don't even matter. But like I said, at the end of the day, I ain't paying for nothing. This right here, I always wanted one of these. And then, like, it'll be like, I pray and be like, God, I told God I needed some hoodies. I needed just some stuff, like, for the winter or whatever, like some hoodies and sweater. Because I've been working so much since I've been in my place, hitting these resource places that I'm like, okay, when we fill up, we gonna be done. Like, so I'm good for the winter, summer, spring, and fall this year and next year almost. Look, this is one of them PJ sets. Oh my God, I always wanted one of these. I'm gonna have to see if I can fit it. It is a large. Y'all know the large ones. I don't know if it got the butt out or not. Let me see. And a lot of my stuff ain't even made from China. My stuff made from India. Hey, listen, let me go through my stuff. But yeah, when you go to resource places, look through the resources. Go ahead and grab them because some of them is time. You ain't got time to be beefed out with nobody. Go ahead and grab the stuff. Then you go back and you hit your other resources and you wash your clothes for free, man. I told you, I'm just the plug out here, man. Like I said, if anytime somebody needs some help, all you gotta do is get in with me. All you gotta do is get in with me if you ain't prideful, baby. Because look, still out here, fine shit. Hey, fine shit. Ain't nobody trying to pay for shit. Excuse me, I'm cussing like a mug. Ain't nobody trying to pay for nothing, baby. You already paying for it, GB, baby. Look, we already paying for it, y'all. I'm so lit in this car. I'm turned up like a mug. Let me go ahead and go through my resources. Anything that I don't like, anything that's not valuable or worthy of my time and effort, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the dumpster. That's the next thing you do after that. If it ain't Lulu, you know what I'm saying? If it ain't brand new, throw it away. That way you don't got nothing up in your crib that you don't need. This is like a cute set right here. I don't know if I'm going to wear this or not. It's giving kind of picnic, but it's giving kind of granny at the same time. I don't think I'm going to keep this though. But again, I kind of liked the top part of it, but not really. I don't really like the buttons on it. So that whole little set, boom, trash. But let me go ahead and get up out of here, y'all. I just wanted to see if that was some Lulu Lemon or not. Irons. Look, I love you.